Hey everybody, guess what? It is day number 6. We're going to lose count really fast here, but we are on the downhill side. Oh, she's going to keep track of it really good.
3 more days.
Yep, we are here at the RV Life booth, booth number 319 at the QUARTZSITE RV show. So we are still having fun. We are looking forward to meeting a lot of exciting people today. The doors just opened and people are flooding in here. So anyway, we just wanted to say welcome and come by and see us, booth 319. We will be here all day, all week. We're going to check out some other, we're going to check out some other sites of, some other booths around here and things, maybe some things that might be of, interest to you, and we're going to show you what those are. So let's keep going. We're day number 6.
Hey, good morning. This is Jim with Wright Concepts here at the QUARTZSITE RV show. I want to show you our product line. We sell the hose grip, which is basically a big grip that makes it easier for you to attach your hose when you get to the campground. We have several different designs. This particular one has a relief valve so you can relieve the pressure in the hose when you shut it off. And this one we've added a gauge so you can monitor inline pressure coming in. We also have the same product for a coax cable if you do cable TV. One of our newest products is our replacement for the water inlet that everybody hates. And this is our version of it, made out of hard anodized aluminum and built to last. So we have a male and a female version of that. We also sell a line of aluminum drawer sets that can be made in any size to fit a compartment in your RV. So if you got a compartment you can't find anything that'll fit, we can outfit it with one of these drawer sets. And very easy to use and multifunctional for everyone.
How's everybody doing? My name is Dave Thomas. I'm with Hughes Autoformers product support team, and we're here at QUARTZSITE 2025 showcasing our new second generation of surge protectors in EMS. And we have a live demonstration of our Gen 2 30 amp EPO, our 50 amp EPO, our non-EMS style base model, second gen. And they just came out this last September. And people have been pretty excited about them, as we are. And I have one here, our new hardwired unit. You can get a look at what's all involved inside. It's the only surge protector on the market that's not disposable. So if your surge protection gets used up, instead of throwing the whole unit out and buying a whole new one, about $45 or so for a 50 amp surge module, $35 for a 30 amp surge module. You just pop one of those in and you're back in business.
And the warranty still stays into effect?
The warranty still is a lifetime warranty. We got an award for the best in the industry recently.
You've got a Bluetooth that you can tap into it to see what's going on.
Bluetooth and now Wi-Fi.
Oh, oh, that's even better.
Right. Cool feature that we have on this second generation is that we have an alert history, and now you can see I've had a lot of missing grounds happening. Of course, I was controlling that via a test box. And then if you have an EPO model, which stands for emergency power off, you can also manually turn your power on and off. And now it features a dimmer. So that's on the dim setting, that's the bright setting, and you got 4 different settings in between. And the beautiful thing about our second generation units is that the firmware inside our chips are now updatable, upgradable. So as time goes on, we can add features. So that's the beauty of it. So this unit will probably be around. It might get a facelift or 2 in the future, but all the firmware will stay up to date. As soon as we add more features, or if there's any bugs that anyone reports back to us, we take that information, make improvements, make an update.
Cool. Can you give us a demonstration on the power you've got here?
Sure.
Just how that actually works for individuals?
So we have a dual color voltmeter right here for my quick reference. So I have a variac transformer that I can either dial the voltage down, turn it up, make it too high, too low. The dual color meter turns red when it gets voltage that it doesn't like. This unit is now saying, hey, I'm sensing the voltage is low, but I'm waiting for it to come back up. And then if it doesn't come back up, the face turns red, and then you have a corresponding voltage error, which is E1.
And this E1 code that's on there is telling me what it is.
Right.
Based on the side on the side of the rig, or yeah.
So we do have the codes etched in on the side of the unit. The app also tells you more in depth on what's going on with the codes. And then we also have the literature that comes with every unit that has a full chart, instruction manual, the proper procedures for hooking up for the first time at a new park. So if you show up to a new park without your RV plugged in, just with the unit itself, you would plug in and then turn your breaker on. It's immediately telling me that there's a problem. The corresponding code can also be found on the side of the unit, E7, which is it's missing a ground, at which point you would inform the park, say, hey, I just did a check at the pedestal that we picked, and I'm showing you guys got an issue with the ground. And the park hopefully says, okay, we'll go check that out. And I had just flipped the ground back on, so after 90 seconds, it's constantly monitoring. So it knows now that the ground is back to a good connection, but it's making sure that it stays consistent that way for 90 seconds.
Okay.
And after 90 seconds, it goes, okay, it's all good. This face will turn white, the code will go away, and you'll hear the contactor inside click, and that's the power being sent back to your coach.
Well, thank you very much.
Absolutely, thank you.
Hi, my name's Bryce. I'm with Henderson's Line-Up and Super Steer. We're just at QUARTZSITE, telling people about our products and supporting one of our top dealers, Redlands RV, Truck and RV, answering questions and giving people quotes if they would like them.
You have all these products here that you're kind of showcasing.
Yep, we have some examples of track bars that we sell, some bell cranks, some Coney shocks, and sumo springs and MCUs here.
So this one over here, that last one there, that's kind of interesting. So kind of explain that a little bit.
So this is a demo for a motion control unit, this little guy right here. It's for air ride coaches, and basically what it does is it acts as a shock absorber for the airbags, and it slows the airflow down in and out of the airbag in both directions so that it doesn't unload and load as fast, which causes sway.
So then your rig's not flipping back and forth as much.
Yeah, you don't get what we call the Walmart wobble as much.
Okay, and we had our work done here at Henderson.
Yeah.
You guys are located in Grants Pass, Oregon.
Yep,
right?
Grants Pass, Oregon.
And this isn't even a fraction of what you have, because I remember the wall of everything you have product-wise, so there's a lot to it.
There is, yeah. It'd be a little bit too heavy to bring everything here that we offer.
All right, well, thank you very much.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Hi, I'm Dave. I own Flagpole Buddy, along with my beautiful wife, Christine. It's Christine over there.
Over there. She's hiding from the camera.
She's high, yeah. She likes to do that. We've been doing this since 2004. I invented this thing just because I'm really lazy and didn't want to climb the ladder to put up a flagpole or take it down because I had been drinking. So, came up with this thing, and it's been selling great. People love it. The whole idea behind the system is to keep you safe. You don't have to climb the ladder to get to your flagpole, right? It used to be bungees and that kind of stuff, and you'd have to cut them off and zip ties. You don't have to do that. This makes it safe. So our market is perfect here because everybody is in their retirement age, we'll call it, and what they do is they don't want to climb the ladder. You fall off the ladder once, and that may be the end of your RV travels. So with my system, you do it from ground level, and it keeps everybody safe. So it works very well for flagpoles, and now we're doing it with the Starlink system also to get that above the rig. And we're still happy. After 35 years of marriage and
right,
20
that's
years in
cool.
this business,
Yeah.
she's put up with me.
Well, you've got some examples over here, so you can get them pretty tall feet.
Our tallest one is a 22-foot flagpole. It's fiberglass, collapses down to about 3.5 feet. And then we go down from there. We got a 16-foot and a 12-foot.
And then you got some lights. Is that just extra that you started putting on top of them and things?
Oh
or?
yeah, you know, it's like a golfer, right? Where you go out to the golf course and the guy next to you got the bubble driver and all that stuff, and you're like, oh, I wish I had that. So the next day you go out and buy it. Same with camping, right? You go out and you camp next to somebody and he's got this cool light on top, and it's like, oh, I wish I had a light on top. Boom. So he goes out and buys a light. All right, so next year I got to come out with something different, right? So they can go back and mismatch and challenge each other. That's how it works.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
Sure, thank you.
Wow. Day number 5 complete. We're on day number 5, right?
I think it's 6.
Oh,
Yeah, it's 6.
okay.
We got 3 more days.
We are completely done for this day. And we got this cool little heater for Ninette finally. She's been freezing her feet off. So anyway, Ninette will feel a lot better for the next few days because it has been
you
cold.
can't feel your feet.
Oh, my feet are warm. So,
They're
anyway, we
popsicles.
had some good interviews today, so hopefully you enjoyed those. We have some more planned tomorrow. So you guys just hang around, and then we'll have another day tomorrow. We got, 3 more days?
3 more days.
3 more days of the QUARTZSITE show, and then we have some other things after that we'll be posting too. So this has
At
been
least my
pretty
feet
fun.
will be warm.
Yep, at least her feet will be warm, so that's what counts.
That's what
so got to keep the woman happy. Yep. So anyway, so thanks for coming along with us today. We will plan on seeing you guys down the road somewhere, and if not, then hopefully it will be here at this booth for RV Life, booth 319. So make sure you come by and see us
Say hi.
and say hi. Yes. So take care. Bye.